You're welcome back to this channel. In today's class, I want to explain binomial theorem. So the first thing that you have to know is binomial. What is binomial? If you see bi means two. It means two. So binomial, you are dealing with two terms. Let's say we have x and y. Here is one term. Here is another term. This is another term. So we want to deal with them together. So let's say I have x plus y. Or I have a and b. So I have a minus b. Or I can have x minus y. I can have a plus y. So that is binomial. Now, the expansion, binomial expansion, I'm very sure you must be familiar with if you have a plus y or x plus y raised to the power of 2. I know you are familiar with that. Or you have a minus b raised to the power of 3, and so on and so forth like that. So that is what we want to deal with today. So if you have a x plus y raised to the power of 2, it means x plus y multiplied by another x plus y. That is what we have as x plus y squared. That is x plus y multiplied by another x plus y. So if you want to expand, this is how you use to expand. You take the first term in the first bracket here, you use it to multiply here. So you call this one first. Then that same first, you use it to multiply the second one. So that is the second. Also, you take the whole of this one. This y owns this plus. So you use it to multiply the first one. So you call this one third. Also, you take the whole, everything, you use it to multiply the fourth one. So you call this one fourth. So this is what I'm saying in essence. You can have x plus y squared be equal to x plus y multiplied by x plus y. So take the first one, this which is x plus x. So take everything inside this bracket, put it here. Then take the whole of everything here. The second term with its sign. So you have to be careful, which is plus y. Then plus y, the whole of the bracket, take it out again. So use this x to multiply everything inside the bracket. Use plus y to multiply everything inside the bracket. So I have x multiplied by x, that is x squared. Then x multiplied by plus xy. So you are done with the first one. So here plus y multiplied by x gives me plus xy. Then plus y multiplied by plus y, I have plus y squared. So here I have x squared plus, this is one, this is another one. Add them together. I have 2xy then plus y squared. So I can say that x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. You can also do for x plus y raised to power 3. But what of if you are having more than 2, more than 3? If the exponent is more than 2, we have x plus y. Let's say we have x plus y raised to the power of 6. You have x plus y raised to the power of 7. That is when you need formula for that. Now, the first thing that I'm going to explain now is that if you have, let's say we have a plus b raised to the power of 0. You know that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So a plus 1 raised to the power of 0 will give you 1. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 1. Any number raised to the power of 1 is that number. So I have a plus b. Also, I have a plus b raised to the power of 2, like the one we just did now. So we have what? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 3, this is going to be what? A cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus 1, which is b cubed. So, if you have another one, a plus b raised to the power 4, what is this one going to be? Now, in order for you to know this one, we call something Pascal triangle. So this Pascal triangle, we use it for the coefficients of binomial expansion. We call it Pascal triangle. I want you to listen very carefully. So this Pascal triangle, we use it for coefficients of each terms. Coefficients. So, what is coefficient? That is the number that is before any alphabet. So, we use Pascal triangle as the coefficients of each term. So, for your Pascal triangle, you start from 1. Then, you later have 1, 1. Let me put it here. 1. So, now, you still have another one you want to do for the next row. What you are going to do here is that you add this 1 and 1 together. You add together. 1 plus 1, you have 2. Then you later have 1. So you still have 1. Add 1 and 2 together. You have 3 here. Add together here also. You have 3 here. So you later have 1. Also, you have 1. Add together. You have 4. Add this one also together, you have 6. Add this one together, you have 4, then you have 1. So you do the same thing for here, you have 1. Add together, you have 5. Add together, you have 10. Add together, you have 10. Add together, you have 5. Then you later have 1. And so on and so forth. So here will be for the power of 1. Power when your exponent is 1. Here is when the exponent is what? 0. Here, power 2. That is when you have, let's say we have x plus y raised to power 2. So their coefficient will be 1, 2, 1. This one will be for the power 3. Here is what? Power 4. Here is what? Power 5. So please do power 6 for me. So let's stop here. Do power 6 for me. So if we meet again, we're going to show us how we're going to put all these coefficients in beside each term. Till I see you again. Bye bye.